quick tip on how to change a starter in a Volvo 240. So what we've already done since we're pulling this engine is we've already got the intake off and everything, but the starter lives down here. The bolts are on the back here, and one of them is down below. It's easy to get to. You'll see that in a second, but the other one is up top here, this top bolt up here. You can't hardly get any kind of wrench on it from up here in the engine bay, and from down below it's really tough too, but we'll show you how we do it. First thing we got to do is make sure the battery's disconnected, but it's already disconnected because we're pulling this engine. Next thing, got to unplug everything from the starter solenoid. There's one of these quick slides and a 13mm nut that goes to the battery. Make sure you don't drop it, but that stuff comes off pretty easy. Then we got to get under the car. So the easiest way to do this is just daisy chain some extensions. We got a couple 3/8 wobble extensions. It's about 2 feet long. That's the easiest way to get at these bolts that are holding the starter in. The first one's really easy to get to. First one right here is really easy to get to. So we're just going to put our whole assembly on here. I'm not going to use all those extensions to do the bottom one. To get this bottom one off, you only need 2 extensions really. Get it on there good. Once you're on there good, it breaks loose pretty easy. Alright, now that it's loose, I'm going to put this other extension on here because this is... Alright, so that bottom one is loose now. So that's the bottom one, it's loose. We're just going to kind of let it hang out while we do the top one. So on this top bolt, all the way up here, it's pretty tough to get to, but you just take your daisy chain of extensions with your 19mm on there, kind of jam it up in there between the transmission tunnel and the transmission, kind of get on there. Okay, I think we're on there. Get it on that bolt. And these wobble extensions are really going to help. I think we're on there. It's turning. I think. This one was pretty loose. That's nice. All these wobble extensions make it easier to get on that top bolt. And I think it's coming out. Is it coming out?
There you go. It's out.
So that's pretty much it for getting the starter out on a 240. You just need a couple wobble extensions about 2 feet long. Daisy chain them together with your 19mm. Sneak up under there between the transmission tunnel and the transmission. And it might take a couple tries to get on that top bolt, but once you get on there, you can break it loose and the starter comes right out. So that's pretty much the easiest way to do it.